In this video today, I'm going to be discussing how I'm able to generate hundreds of dollars per day in my affiliate marketing business without beating you over the head with product after product and selling. We're starting right now. What's up, guys? My name is John, and if this is the first time you come to my channel, welcome. On this channel, we teach you all about affiliate marketing and making money from home. So if you have a laptop and you have an internet connection, you can make money from home. So if that's the case, definitely subscribe to the channel by clicking on that little blue John McNeil icon in the right-hand corner of the screen, and go ahead and click the notification so that you don't miss any of my videos. Now, guys, before we jump into the subject matter of how I'm able to generate hundreds of dollars per day in my online business, I do want to let you guys know that we will be doing a cash contest in this video today. So for the top 3 commenters, I'm going to be giving away $100. So the first top commenter will get $50, and then the second 2 commenters will get $25 a piece. So basically all you have to do is comment below. It could be about this particular video that we're talking about today, or it could be about anything that you've learned here on my channel. So the top 3 commenters will win the cash. Top first person will get $50, and then the next 2 will get $25 a piece. So all you have to do is just leave your best comment, and you have to be a subscriber. So I will be checking these with TubeBuddy, so make sure you have subscribed to the channel. All right, guys, so let's go to jump into this video, and I want to talk about how I'm able to generate, a couple $100 in excess every single day in my online business. And before I actually get into the nitty-gritty of that, I want to tell you guys a quick story. So many of you guys have probably been called up before and given an opportunity to do like one of these free vacation packages, right? Where they call you and they say, hey, come to our resort. You'll get 3 or 4 nights for free. All you have to do is attend one of these 90-minute presentations. There's no pressure, there's no sales. You just go to the presentation and then you enjoy your weekend at the resorts. So I don't know about you guys, but I've actually done one of these timeshare presentations, and I will say that, after going through the 90-minute presentation, I definitely felt very pressured to purchase the actual timeshare. It wasn't a comfortable situation that I was in. There was multiple people coming to the table and using advanced sales tactics and really trying to pressure me to get this timeshare, and I didn't want the timeshare. I didn't want the vacation package. I wanted to just enjoy my weekend and get the free few days there at the resort. So to say the least, it was definitely an uncomfortable situation. I wasn't comfortable at all. I felt like I was being pressured. I felt that I was being belittled because I wasn't purchasing, their timeshare. And to add insult to injury, the presentation was actually held on the very first day that I got to the actual resort. So I didn't even have an opportunity to see the resort, to see the amenities, to actually enjoy it. There was nothing that I could see at that point that would even make me purchase the timeshare because I hadn't had an opportunity to go out there and enjoy it. So now let me tell you another quick story. So a couple months ago, some of you guys know that I just moved into a brand new home, and there was a gentleman that came to my house maybe a couple weeks after I had moved in, and this guy had ring the doorbell, and I saw that he had this little kind of purple bottle with him, and automatically I knew this guy was a salesman, and right away I'm thinking to myself, I'm gonna open the door and tell this guy that I don't want whatever he's selling and to go ahead and leave my property. So, he rings the doorbell, I open the door, and what the guy says to me next is, he says, before you say no and before you tell me to leave, just let me show you something, right? He said, just let me show you something. So then I'm just like, what? And then so he takes this little bottle, right? And he has a spray bottle, and he pours this solution, which is a non-toxic, all-natural, environmental-friendly solution, right, into this water bottle, and he sprays it on my window, right? So he sprays the solution on my window, and then he cleans the window, right, with just like a regular rag, and he shows me how that environmental solution that I have here actually can just cut through any of the grease and dirt, and it just really made the actual window sparkle and shine. And I barely even cleaned my house, but I knew that that was something that was amazing. That was something I'd never seen before. And then subsequently, he showed me the window, and then he cleaned some of my tile that are on my floor. He showed me how you could clean the oven, and he did all of this prior to even trying to sell me, right? So what he was doing was he was showing me value, right? He was showing me how this solution could actually work, how this solution could actually help me. How can this solution actually keep my house clean and environmental safe at the same time? So what ended up happening was I ended up buying this solution, and it's, you know, a one little bottle. It costs like $100, and you only need like a cap full of this stuff that you put into water, and you're able to clean like various stuff throughout the house, and it works extremely well. But the point I'm trying to make to you guys in these two little silly stories that I just told you is that in the first story, when I told you about the timeshare, they were just trying to sell. They didn't even give me a chance to even enjoy the actual resort. In the second story, this guy says, let me show you how this solution can actually help you before I even try to pitch you. So by the time he actually had cleaned my tile, my refrigerator, and my this and that, I was already sold. I'm like, how much is this thing? Because I need it in my life. I need just to clean my house. This is the bomb diggity, right? So he's like, oh, it's like $100. And then I write the check. He makes the sale. I get a solution that is going to help me. So guys, this is what I want to get across to you guys in your online business and in my online business. This is basically what I do, and this is what you need to do in your online business. There are millions and millions of people out there that have a problem, that need a solution that they need a resolve for. And what you need to do is you need to find solutions to the problems, right? Find the solutions to the problems and then educate, teach, show value. And then the sales will follow. If you educate consistently, if you give value consistently, if you teach consistently, people will see that and people will want to purchase the products and the services that you recommend because they'll know that the product is going to help them, right? If you need to build your list, you need a squeeze page. So if you're recommending ClickFunnels or lead pages or a WordPress site, that's going to help them. But you got to show them first. You got to show them why that squeeze page is important, why that squeeze page can help them build a list, why it can help them make money online. You have to show them. And once you show them, they see the value, and then they whip out their credit card and they purchase. So that's what I do in my online business. You can see on my YouTube channel, I'm really pitching a product to you. I'm really just offering you a lot of training and support. And I may recommend services here, I may recommend trainings there, and people see the value and then they buy. So that's what you need to be doing in your online business. You need to be educating and supporting and training, and then the sales will definitely follow. So how do you do that? You're gonna say, well, I'm a newbie, I don't know anything, I don't get it, I don't know how to do this, I can't do video marketing, whatever the case may be. So what you need to do is there's a ton of cheap, inexpensive courses on online business, on traffic generations, on building lists, on everything that you potentially would need to know if you wanted to start teaching and educating your market space, right? So there's courses out there. I've talked about a couple courses. I'll even link to a couple courses, a couple networks that you can like buy specific courses that are very cheap. And then you can start going through that information, going through those material, and then you take that information that you learned and you can actually start teaching that information. And how do you do that? You can do that in the form of an ebook. You can do that in the form of a blog. You can do that in the form of YouTube. You can do that in the form of doing a podcast. There's multiple ways and multiple outlets that you can actually start teaching this information and educating your target audience. And if you're educating your target audience, you will make money online. That's how the big dogs are doing it, and that's what we have to do too, because people just don't want to be sold. They don't want to be sold. They don't want to be high pressure sold. They want to be given value. They want to be educated. And then once they see that this education or this tool or this product is going to help them move forward in their online business, they're going to gladly whip out their credit card. gladly, right? So that's my message for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys understood it. If you like this video, please hit the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel, and make sure you guys make a comment below, because we have our cash contest going on today where we're giving away $100 in total to 3 individuals. So the top 3 commenters will get the cash. Number 1 will get $50 and the last 2 will get $25. So you can comment anything about this video that we talked about today or anything else that you've learned on my channel, and those top 3 commenters will get the cash, and I will announce it on the next video. So this is John for JohnMcNeil.com. I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you comment below. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.